welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci, you guys. My Yeezy Gap hoodie just arrived. I literally ordered from Yeezy Gap. It was 80 bucks. It took like 6-7 weeks to ship. It literally just got dropped off. So first impressions, this is what the bad boy looks like. Got it in a size medium and I got the black pair. If you guys are interested in actually copying a Yeezy Gap hoodie from Yeezy Gap, do like subscribe to their email notifications, because I randomly went on my email and it was like Yeezy Gap hoodie available. And I'm like, shut up, because on StockX, a little more on the pricier side. So let's just unbox this bad boy together. We got it open. So there's nothing additional in the bag. Okay. So this is what the tag looks like. She's thick and it's actually like stark black. I didn't know if it was gonna be like an acidy wash, because I do have a season 4 Yeezy hoodie and I love that one, but I wanted a smaller hoodie. This is in a size medium. So we're gonna briefly try it on, see how it fits. It doesn't, oh, it does have the front pockets. The Yeezy season 6 hoodie has the pockets on the side, but this is just like a traditional hoodie, no drawstrings. Let's try it on. Go. The inside is not lined with like a soft fleece, which is nice, because granted, I love the soft fleeceness of a hoodie. Sometimes when you wash it, it piles up. This same material that's on the outside is on the inside. It's giving thick, it's giving high quality. I am happy that I got a size medium because I didn't want this too oversized. I love it. I think it fits really well. It sits at my waist nicely. It is giving like basic hoodie vibes, but designer. I love how all the way down it goes. So if you're like taller than me, you can definitely get away with wearing a medium if you wanted to. But overall, 10 out of 10. When it comes to sizing, I like the size medium. Typically 5'5". Not typically, I'm 5'5". I wear a 10 in jeans and I'm like 30 waist. It just fits really perfectly. I do genuinely love it. I think it is a little tight, not like tight fitting, but smaller than normal hoodies that I do have, but I just think that this fits more structured and more secure. I do want to pick up some of the other shades, but I know myself, I'm always in black, so I kind of had to get the black. I wish I would have got the blue. So when other shades restock, I low-key need the purple and I low-key need that blue, and I'll be so happy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you guys are interested in the Yeezy Gap, do be sure to sign up for their notifications. You'll get email notifications every time they are to drop. So that was the only way that I was able to actually get my hands on the Yeezy Gap for retail. So yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.